Welcome to our quick and easy servicing guide for your AVR. In this video, we'll demonstrate how simple it is to maintain your device, ensuring it runs smoothly and performs at its best. First, conduct a visual inspection of the exterior, beginning with the front panel's indicator LED lights. Ensure all indicators are green, not red. Next, we inspect the inside of the AVR. Check the indicator LED lights on the internal circuit board. Ensure indicators are green, not red. Ensure fuses are not dislodged or blown. Check for any burn marks. Check that the exhaust fans are working well. Next, inspect the servo motors. Ensure the surface of the coils are smooth and dust-free. Ensure the carbon brush is not broken. Ensure the servo motors are rotating or moving. Never touch or force the moving servo motors. Finally, it's time to measure and record the input and output voltages. If the output voltage exceeds the desired accuracy or range, recalibrate the main PCB to re-establish the correct values. We've now reached the end of our guide. As a bonus on some orders, we will include an infrared thermal camera to further assist in the care of your unit.